This is kind of an oddball, unusual generator. I bought it off of a guy that I knew. So it starts and runs for a little bit, but it does not run consistently. And it surges, and I already took most of it off. Here's the major part of it. Here's the hose that goes with it, with the carburetor. Actually looks like it's made pretty well. Works okay. All right, this is the Bosch tripod, and I'm gonna take it out. Okay, now this is kind of tricky to use. There's a lever underneath here, right here, and you push this. In this case, I'm going to push it to the right, and then you lift this out, and then here's a square. It's actually dovetailed, and it fits inside this area right here. And you can take this, loosen it right here, and turn this like this. Then if you loosen this one, you can turn it like this. I find that it's a little bit easier to turn it like this and then put it in the dovetail. So here's my light, Bosch light. So you have to find the dovetail, put it in there, pull that lever up, and it's kind of hard to get it in there. Now once you get it in that dovetail area, there's 4 dovetails all the way around it. Once you get it in there, you release this lever right here. And then if you're going to use it for your light, then you just have to put your battery in here. And then once you get the battery in and the light going, you loosen this big handle right here, and then you can turn this however you want it. This way, like that. And then there's another lever, another handle. This turns it 360 degrees. This lever right here, this knob right here. And then this one, there's another knob right here, and that keeps it from spinning. Kind of hard to get all these levers in the right position. All right, well, I've got a bunch of dirt in here from cleaning my chainsaw. So you're going to have to get rid of that. And don't dump it where you're going to stand. Now we'll put a little more gas in there. The first thing I'm going to do is take the bowl off. B-O-W-L. And it's right here on the bottom of this carburetor. Get your adjustable wrench or set of wrenches, whichever you prefer. Keep all the parts together. All right, now, sometimes it's very difficult to get it apart. I think I'm going to clean it just a little bit more. I'm going to try to not get any gas in here because this is the intake side. Now, this generator is Chinese, but fortunately they have a fairly good carburetor. It's called a Walida, W-A-L-D-I-A, I believe. Here's the fuel line. So you do want to clean that. I may not use this fuel line because it might be too old. Now I'm going to make a gasket out of cork. That's the gasket material that I have right now. And this gasket is going to go between the air filter and the carburetor. plugged in this light, and it works.